I started a Faceless YouTube Shorts channel and tried to get monetized in 30 days. The results were shocking and I stumbled upon 5 interesting findings while trying to grow this channel. And these are some of the things you may face while trying to make money on YouTube, so without further ado, let's dive right in. My channel niche is entertainment niche featuring viral short moments with narration. I still believe that repurposing content that is already working well is the easiest way to grow an audience and get millions of views. I uploaded my first short on May 8th, precisely 30 days ago of making this video. In the span of 30 days, I've gained close to 4,000 subscribers as you see here, with around 3.1 million views. If you're unaware, we need 1,000 subscribers and 10 million short views to be eligible for monetization. We hit the subscriber milestone but could not hit the 10 million views. But here's the interesting part. Our graph shows that most of the views came from May 25th to June 4th. On top of that, out of 3.1 million views, 2.9 million views came from the first short that I posted on May 8th. Here you can see the first 24 hours, we got the initial spike, which happens to most of the shorts that you post, and it flatlined afterwards. At this point, you might think that the video is dead and there's no hope. However, the data shows otherwise. In the first week it was posted, it still gained about 1,000 views a day. It then had an initial surge of views on May 20th, 12 days after it was posted, then it went back down, and finally on May 25th, the video started gaining traction and just exploded, topping off with close to 600,000 views in just a single day. Eventually, the video cooled off and is now gaining a little above 1,000 views a day. Now, this short is 13 seconds long with an average view duration of 137%. That's a good average view duration to aim for, since anything close to 100 or even above that is suitable for the algorithm. But truthfully, that's not the sole reason a video goes viral, because I've had other shorts with average view duration close to this or better, but did not perform nearly as well as this one. For example, this one video had 139% average view duration with the same amount of time in length, but only got 6,000 views. This other video had 139% as well, but got 2,200 views. So clearly, it's not just views that the algorithm is looking at. Well, why don't we compare these 3 videos' engagement? The viral video received 123,432 likes and 2,626 dislikes. Since this has 2.8 million views, we have roughly 42 likes and 0.9 dislikes per 1,000 views. The second video has 112 likes and 3 dislikes with 2,243 views, which means it has 49 likes and 1.3 dislikes per 1,000 views. Lastly, the third video has 402 likes and 6 dislikes and 6,369 views, which equates to 63 likes and 0.9 dislikes per 1,000 views. I don't see any significant correlation between these numbers. In fact, the other 2 videos performed way better than the viral one, if anything, but remember that the sample size is much smaller on the other 2 videos. But all in all, what does this all mean? Well, let's now get into my findings and try to crack down this mysterious YouTube algorithm. Finding 1. There is no clear answer to the algorithm. I swear, if anyone tells you that they found out how the algorithm works, it's all bullshit. Good one. Just think about it. If they knew how the algorithm works, why aren't they Mr. Beast? As you've seen with my data earlier, there's no clear answer to why certain video performs better than others. I've also had shorts on my other channels that got 40 million views and the average view duration is less than 80%. My advice from running all these channels is don't try to figure out the algorithm and don't get too fixated on the numbers. Instead, use the data to help you improve your videos. At the end of the day, I think the entire reason for YouTube to provide these analytics is to help you grow as a content creator instead of trying to crack down the algorithm. Finding 2. Consistency is key. YouTube Shorts is definitely a numbers game, since you need to give enough chances to YouTube to find the right audience to resonate with your videos. Blowing up with just a couple of videos is very rare and highly unlikely. Although my first video got viral, it took several weeks along with other content for it to get viral. If I didn't continue posting more videos, this video might not have gotten viral. Just keep posting and improve 1% at a time. Finding 3. Entire channel performs similarly to the viral video. This one was actually very interesting to me, and I've never experienced this sort of performance, but it seems like YouTube pushes out the content in a similar pattern as your viral content. When my viral short was performing and climbing with more views, all my other shorts were gaining traction, not just through the channel pages, but through the short shelf. This meant that YouTube was pushing out the other videos since it maybe thought that the channel was worthy. And now that the viral video cooled off, all my other short views came down with it. But that's just how YouTube works, so you just have to keep going. Finding 4. Wacky performing days. As I've said with Finding 3, all the other videos perform in a positive correlation with the viral video. But what's more interesting are these random drops I've had on the viral video. You can see from this graph that I was literally getting thousands of views per minute, and all of a sudden the video just died. Then a couple of hours later, it got thousands of views per minute again and gained traction. Then finally it died again. I'm not exactly sure what the cause is, but after looking up, I found other people had similar patterns on their short videos. I'm assuming that the algorithm might have switched to a different repurposed video that is the same as mine, because this short has 41,000 remix views and 31 remixes. And you can see that one of them even got 6,000 views. I'll keep you guys updated on this viral video if it does ever pick up traction, because this is something I've never witnessed before. Finding 5. Be patient. Remember that my first short took 18 days for it to pick up traction and get viral. It may take longer or it may be shorter. YouTube does its thing, and it's like a roller coaster ride. There are days that your video will perform crazy well, and sometimes it's just shit. But you just have to stick through it and believe in yourself. Keep growing and keep posting. The most important thing is not to give up, because although it takes 10 million views to get monetized, you might get those views from a single video. I'll continue this challenge and update you guys, so subscribe to find out. And if you like to watch money making challenges, then check out my other video on starting an Etsy business from scratch using AI. Thanks for watching. Peace.